A resident of Sarjapur Road in Bengaluru reported a shocking incident involving an Amazon delivery. The customer had ordered an Xbox controller, which was delivered 2 days after placing the order. Upon opening the package, they discovered a live snake inside. The entire incident was captured on camera, and the snake has been identified as a possible spectacled cobra, a highly venomous species native to Karnataka. Fortunately, the snake was stuck to the packaging tape, which prevented it from causing harm to anyone in the household. The customer attempted to contact Amazon's customer support immediately after discovering the snake. However, they were placed on hold for over 2 hours, forcing them to manage the situation on their own. Amazon issued a full refund for the order. Despite this, the customer expressed concerns about the risk to their lives and the apparent lack of accountability from Amazon. They believe this incident highlights a significant safety breach, likely due to poor hygiene and supervision in Amazon's transportation or warehousing processes. The customer is seeking advice on how to file a complaint with the consumer court or through other appropriate channels. As software engineers with no legal expertise, they are looking for straightforward guidance to seek compensation for the distress and danger caused by this incident.